Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to use vidIQ Outliers. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. Now, to use vidIQ Outliers, you'll have to filter a competitor's channel by views per hour to find videos that vastly outperform their average view count. As this one signals a high demand topic you should target immediately. Now, if you didn't know yet, Outlier is a video that breaks a channel's normal performance baseline, proving that the topic, not just the creator, is driving the traffic. So first up, we need to locate the outlier. How do we do that? You can go ahead and open up YouTube or go ahead over to your competitor section right here. Now, if you don't know how to manage competitors, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We've got a ton of videos for you. Okay, so for example, we have here this one, the Outlier score. So this channel right here, which is Merged Gaming, shout out, posted this specific topic: how to install skin and cape in Minecraft Legacy, no login. Okay, so the Outlier score is 37x. So you can just go ahead and click on this topic right here. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go ahead and go to the channels page, and then there will be a quick channel stats. So the total view was 21 or 21K. Now let's go ahead and go back to Merge Gaming channel right here. Now go ahead over to videos and then trending or popular. Okay. So here we have the video. So what you'll do basically in here is just spot the statistical anomalies. So compare the video's total views to the channel's total subscriber count. So this one got 21K views and the subscriber count is just 1.1K. Meaning, this one still got a lot of traction, even the subscriber count right here is low. Okay. Also, this video still got 6 views per hour. If you want to make a video about it, go ahead and do so. Okay. But I would highly recommend you to use topics that at least got views per hour. Okay. So what do we do next? That we have all the idea. This one got the best scores. What should we do next? Well, all we've got to do is just go ahead and deconstruct the success formula. Okay, first up, you need to analyze the thumbnail. Note the color palette, text count, and emotional hook. Identify the exact trigger words, for example, safely downgrade, okay, or with proof right here. You can watch the video, watch the first 30 seconds of the video to see how they retained the audience, okay? So basically, we need to create your own version. Do not copy the video word for word. Improve the concept by updating the information, improving the audio quality, or changing the thumbnail angle. Okay? You can view as many competitors right here under Competitors tab or Research. Okay? Click on Research and go ahead over to Channels, and you'll have it right here. Just like this one. So when you go ahead and click on a video, scroll down and click on Views, and here we have the outlier, or the outlier score. You can click on it and you'll have a ton of topics or video ideas here as well. So just mind the subscriber count of your competitors. Okay, if you are again making a video for 0 to 1,000 subscribers, your competitors would be 5,000 subscribers below, within that range. So you could go ahead and make a video about this one, or this one, or this one. Okay. And that is how you use vidIQ Outliers. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.